So, this is a thing. Okay. Night shift, no. Oh my god. Oh. What the fuck?
Hello? Hello? I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night.
That's
I
bullshit.
actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a bath, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children and we need to show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87. Yeah. It's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe, you know? Now, concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person. They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross beams, wires, and animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine how having your head forcefully pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort and death. The only parts
And
you
death.
likely see the light of day again would be your eyeballs and teeth that pop out the front of the mask. Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey, first station of the breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Check those cameras and remember to close the doors only if absolutely necessary. Gotta conserve power. Alright, good night.
No, please keep talking to me. Okay, so check the cameras and what? Oh my god. What the fuck? Ah, shit! Where the fuck did you go? Where the fuck did you go? Fuck! Oh shit. No, 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 no. The what? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Where the fuck did you go? Where the fuck did you go? I don't even want to look at the camera. Fuck that shit. Conserve power? What? Oh my god. Oh. I closed the fucking game. Okay. So apparently there's no pause button. If you hit escape, like I just fucking did, then you're gonna like fucking... You fucking close the entire game. No.
Hello? Hello? I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll do fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a bath, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children and we need to show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87. Yeah, it's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe, you know? Now concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person. They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross beams, wires, and animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine how having your head forcibly pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort.
Can I
and death.
Save power by, you know, turning off the fan?
The light of day again would be your eyeballs and teeth that pop out the front of the mask. Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey, first station of the breeze.
What kind of building has limited power? when there's evil robots around. I hate Chuck E. Cheese's. The old Chuck E. Cheese's, when they had this kind of stuff, it's creepy no matter how you look at it. It's just... Oh god, oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck? Ah, shit. Why'd I put the camera down? Fucking dumbass. Oh god. No! Shit. I'm keeping my hands off the keyboard just to be safe. What? There's two? The rabbit's moving. The rabbit's moving. The fucking rabbit's moving. The camera noises make me think that that's the fucking robot that's after me. I just don't understand. Where are you fuckers at? Why are you going backwards? Oh god. I don't know who's in the right area. How many suits are there? Not animatronic suits. What the fuck do you want? Go away. Oh my god, they're on both fucking sides. Ah! Night 2, guys.
Hello? Hello? Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know.
Fuck.
Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come off stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots happen to be right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to check the door lights. You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you would be in any danger, of course.
I figure that's what the light was for.
Also,
Not that you'd be in any danger. Shut the fuck up.
The character in there seems unique in that he becomes more active if the cameras remain off for long periods of time. I guess he doesn't like being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
If your animatronics are doing paranormal shit— oh god! No, it's a supply closet. What am I worried about? It is kind of around the corner, though. Shit. Oh my god, go away! Oh my fucking god. Chicken shit. No, 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 no. Where the fuck did you go? Why are you just looking at the camera? Fucker. Fuck. Fuck. Oh my fucking god. I thought he was gone. Oh no, he was like, oh hi there. Go get scared by the light. He went back. Why do you even need a fucking guard at night? If anyone came in here and tried to steal anything, you'd have fucking animatronics stuffing thieves into costumes. It just doesn't make any sense. He's in the fucking kitchen. I'm gonna run out of power. No, you piece of shit. Stop coming back. Why? Fuck. Oh my fucking... The bear? What? I think that's good for today.